Hi everyone. Let's do ballet. I'm gonna guide you to what are my first 4 exercises in the bar, and then you can do that at home wherever you feel comfortable doing them. So let's start. I'm gonna start with a comfortable first position, and I'm just gonna do tendu and flex and point and plie and side and flex and point and plie and back and flex, point, plie and side and flex, point, plie. Put the breath forward, kiss your knees, release your head, come back up, breathe, shoulders down, rise up and back, go deeper and come back up, arm, breathe towards the bar and open, comfortable plie, press up, releve, stretch your knees, find your balance, press up, release your head, shoulders down, and finish in the demi-plie and stretch. Remember, I'm only doing one side, but then you can go around and then you start marking with the left leg. So for now, I'm just teaching you the exercise, and then you'll do it home whenever you want and however you want. You can add more count, or you can add more speed, or you can add more to the exercise. Just make sure you're having fun and you're finding pleasure in what you're doing, which is really important. Second exercise, I'm gonna do 2 tendus en croix and then 4 in second, and I'll guide you through the exercise. So we do tendu, in, 2, in, side, in, 2, in, back, in, 4, 3, 2, 1, breathe, back, in, 2, in, side, in, 2, in, 1, in, 2, in, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're closing first. We go towards the bar, in center, and open. We go away from the bar, and reach, and we come to the center. And now we're just gonna rise up, go to a releve, no plie, no nothing. Press up from your ankles. And then once you think you're there, you're gonna close to your 5th. You're gonna squeeze as much as you can. You're gonna find your arms, and you're gonna smile for the picture. And then you finish on your demi-plie, and you stretch. Good. Remember, you do that all the way up to the left, and you repeat everything from there. Good. Now we're gonna go, now that we have arrived to our comfortable 5th, we're gonna start using our 3rd or our 5th position. We're gonna do tendu front, tendu back, 2 tendus forward, 2 tendus to the side, and then we start everything to the back. Then we do some port de bras forward, port de bras back, and then we're gonna end up in a plie, sous, arms up to 5th. So, 5, 6, 7, and we do tendu, plie, transfer, and close, back, plie, transfer and close, tendu 1 and in, tendu 2 and in, tendu side, in, side, start to the back, dan plie, press back, dan plie, press front, and back, and side, close front, port the bras forward. We're gonna kiss our knees, release your head, and you're gonna press back up. Find your center, shoulders down. You're gonna breathe up and back, breathe, go deeper, and come back up. Breathe, arm, allonge, plie, sous, squeeze both legs. Imagine you have magnets on your ankles. And you're gonna find your basket, and then I'm gonna go up to my 5th, and I'm gonna smile for the picture. Good. Then I finish down and stretch. Good. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of jetés, something off the floor. I'm gonna turn around the bar, but then you can face whatever is the object you're using. It can be a chair, it can be a cabinet, it can be anything. Then you face that object, and then I'm gonna try from first position. I'm gonna do 8 jetés, 8 jetés, 4 jetés, 4 jetés, 2 jetés, 2 jetés, 1 releve and down, and we do the same thing to the left. So everything is off the floor. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Press up. Left side and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Press up and down and. Thank you for watching. Keep working out. Yay.